Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect Calendly to HubSpot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Calendly. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Calendly official website, where in the top left corner, we have the create button, we have the schedule events, we have the upgrade plan, and we have the admin center. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Calendly to HubSpot. So to do so guys, firstly, what you need to do is go and follow this link here, which is calendly.com. And guys, you can see that we have .com/integration/HubSpot. And here guys, as you can see, we have the Calendly plus HubSpot. So here you can go and add the integration. As you can see, we have the button here and the chat with support. What you need to do is go and click on add integration. And now as you can see, you have the ways to use Calendly and HubSpot, the requirements, and guys, at the end, you have the Connect HubSpot. The thing, of course, that you need to do is go and click on the Connect HubSpot button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.